Hi, in this video I want to show you something that I should have showed in one of my first tutorials, so I'm going to leave the fill and stroke tool for now and jump to this. First, people have asked me in the comment section why my interface is looking different than yours, and usually it has something to do with this commands bar and this snap controls bar. And the reason is because from the view menu you have one of these two options selected. I use the default option and this is how my interface looks, but if you choose for example the custom option, you'll see that this sends these snap controls bar over here, and if I choose the wide option, this sends the commands bar over here. So this is why your interface might be looking a little different than mine, and I'm going to click on default and move to the next option that I want to show you from the view menu. It's this show and hide, and here you can see all of these bars and other options. The commands bar is this one over here, so you have the ability to turn it off, and if I do that you see that this will disappear. And have something in mind, if I close Inkscape now and start it, it will still look like this. You will not be able to see the commands bar. So it's good to know if you close it by accident that you can always access it from here. Let's go back. Now the next option of snap controls bar, like I said, is this bar over here. The tool controls bar is this one. With the different tools you have different tool controls, so this is where you can show and hide it. The next one is the toolbox with your different tools. Next one is the rulers, these over here. Next one is the scroll bars, these. The palette is this one, and the status bar is this one down here. So if you turn off something by accident, you can go back here and turn it on, and something else, sometimes you might not be needing the palette, you can turn it off and therefore you have more space here to display your graphics. If you're not using, let's say, this snap controls bar, you can go ahead and turn it off and you have more space. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. If it was, subscribe, like the video. That's it for now. Bye.